but I just can't reach. So I'm gonna get some guys to help me. This is the monster in the fridge prank. Hey, could you help me get this pack of Red's Wicked Apple down? I'm too short. Well, I'm too short. I can't get it down.
You can't reach that?
No. Can you help me? I can't reach this.
Fuck.
Excuse me? Would you be able to help me get something off the shelf? I can't reach it, I'm so little. It's just here. I want to get one of these down and I can't reach it, so I'm so little. So, yeah, I can't reach it. I can't reach it, I'm sorry.
Oh.
Thanks.
Oh shit! Oh, you broke my glass.
I just wanted the Red's Wicked Apple.
Yeah, sure.
Thanks. We're just pranking you. You're on a hidden camera prank. And there's a hidden camera here and here and here.
Oh my god. Where?
Here.
Here. Ah! I didn't even see that. I don't know how to see that.
There's a camera here and a camera here and a camera here.
That's really good. Do you want this? You want this still? Yeah, here we go.
Yeah.
All right, get out here.
There's a camera here and a camera here and a camera here.
Oh, okay. You got me.
Your reaction was so good.
Thank you. Well, Pretty Woman will get you every time. That was funny.
Oh, sorry.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm just trying to get through. I have a lot of balloons.
Are you okay?
Yeah. Yeah. Do you want to?
Yeah, can
go? Yeah. Can I go?